It's for the birds. Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a quirky and colorful phrase that you might come across in English conversations. It's for the birds. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your own conversations to sound more like a native speaker. Have you ever heard someone say, "It's for the birds," and wondered what they meant? This phrase is a colloquial idiom in English, implying that something is worthless, uninteresting, or deserving of disdain. When someone uses this expression, they're usually dismissing something as not worthy of serious consideration. The origins of this phrase are quite interesting and date back to the early 20th century. It's believed to derive from the observation that birds tend to feed on the seeds and grains in horse manure. So, saying something is for the birds is a roundabout way of comparing it to something that only has value for creatures willing to pick through refuse. It's a vivid metaphor that has stuck in the language for decades. Using idioms like, "It's for the birds," can add color and authenticity to your English. Here's how you can incorporate it into your conversations. Expressing disapproval. If you find something utterly unimportant or disagreeable, you might say, "Honestly, that movie was for the birds. I don't recommend it." Showing disinterest. To express a lack of interest in something, you could say, "Sitting through that lecture was for the birds. I didn't learn anything new." Remember, while it's a fun expression, it's somewhat informal. It's best used in casual conversations rather than in formal or professional settings. Let's look at a few examples to better understand how "it's for the birds" is used in sentences. "This new policy at work is for the birds. It doesn't help us at all. I think spending hours on social media is for the birds. There are so many better things to do. He said that studying history is for the birds, but I completely disagree." By using this phrase in various contexts, you can practice and become more comfortable with its usage. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "It's for the birds." We hope this video has given you a good understanding of what it means, its origins, and how you can use it to spice up your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and understand the culture behind the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.